JAX means just another JIP sampler and provides an alternative to the OpenBAX software. In this part, we explain how it can be used to solve Markov chain Monte Carlo based problems calling it from MATLAB. It is important that you know how to select the environment variables. You need to enter this window and click the environment variables button that is down, and then you need to indicate the path to the application that must be incorporated in the environment variable path. Once you have done that, your computer will be ready for JAX to work. And then in MATLAB, you have to write a program to generate the data and the commands. And this is what is shown in these transparencies. You need to call to prepare the data and the initial values also. This is an example. I recommend you to go to the end of the files, and there are many examples in which this has been done so that you can get some practice by reproducing these samples. In this transparency, it is shown how to call MATJAX, the MATJAX procedure, and it is written in the for command there. You can see there the meaning of each of the parameters, how to select the number of chains for burning or for complete samples, and all the options, all the variables to be monitorized, or how to, if you want to clean up the partial results to save memory. You can see that in this transparency. And then you need to recover the results given by JAX, and this transparency tells you how you can do that. The samples variable, which was used as an output to the calling JAX command, contains the information, as you can see in the first three commands in this transparency. And this is the end of this lesson dedicated to JAX. It is convenient to have some alternatives to OpenBAX because in some particular examples, OpenBAX can have problems and perhaps JAX works perfectly. If you want to avoid some problems in special cases, JAX gives you an alternative. Thus, you should use JAX and OpenBAX.